Welcome to the 2024 Economic Depression and Preparation Channel. I'm your host, Tony. Thank you for joining me on this December 10th, 2024 Tuesday edition. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you've had a wonderful day or just getting started or evening here. U.S. consumers are expecting higher inflation and a better economy. This according to the New York Fed here report. So many people are expecting that next year, at least the first half of next year, will produce better outcomes in terms of inflation and more spending. But more people have been bracing for some people have been bracing for higher inflation, especially at the grocery store and the grocery store and the utility bills, and also in transportation costs as well. So we'll see what happens. But right now, many people feel more optimistic about this economy. Maybe it's because the next year is going to be the administration change and all of that's going to be happening. We'll see what happens. But the regional bank, the New York Fed, continues to expect the meeting at the December 17th, 18th meeting next week, Tuesday and Wednesday. They expect that they'll cut interest rate by a quarter of a percentage point, or 25 basis points. Now, many people say that I believe personally that they're going to leave the rates unchanged heading into January 2025. I don't think they're going to cut it 25 basis points, but we'll see. This will be the third cut, if they do, of the year. And I don't know how much difference that's going to make in terms of prices on these interest rates or mortgage rates or anything else, or car loan rates. I don't know if that's going to make a huge dent or difference. We'll have to wait and see, but that's the reports. Now, gold continues to ascend up to $2,700 according to FXStreet.com ahead of the U.S. inflation data. So gold is surging here toward $2,700 here. Silver's about at $30 or so. It made a little move, but not as much as gold. As gold continues to go up here, that's a good sign, I guess, for those who believe in the hard assets, having hard tangible assets, or gold mining stocks or whatever. It is going up. Gold prices advanced as U.S. real yields rose 2 basis points to 1.956. The U.S. 10-year Treasury rose 3 basis points to 4.24%, a tailwind for the greenback. So the dollar index is also rising too as well by 0.40%. Small business optimism continues to grow here, hit the 3-year high as a result of the election. So it's a major shift here. So small business optimism is a confidence booster here, according to many media outlets here. Optimism is driven by hope. 36% of business owners expect economic improvement, 41-point leap from October. So they're heading into the holiday season saying that, that the article breaks down that the major surge is due to economic improvement, or hopeful for economic improvement, that they can hire some more people at reasonable wages and also make more profits as more people try to get back to their normal spending levels after the holidays and everything dies down after January and February. So that remains to be seen, obviously, because the article points out labor and inflation costs have continued to hurt small businesses traditionally. These last 4 or 5 years we've been in this health crisis. So we'll have to wait and see how it happens here. Will they be able to keep pace without raising prices, or things really get to be more concerning later on in the details of that nature? So like I said, we can expect optimism. I think the Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, New Year's, Three Kings Day, Boxing Day, anything, all that's going to be great. Just even if you don't have a lot of money to spend, just to be with family, friends, or to reminisce about family, friends, and cohorts and chums as we wrap up 2024 is a blessing in itself. So we can expect going into next week that rates are unchanged. We can expect heading into this week that the jobs report that's coming out on Thursday, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, I believe it is on Thursday, we can expect that will also show a brief addition of jobs, maybe up to 50,000 to 100,000 jobs, but nothing too crazy. This is all going to be jobs, seasonal jobs that are adding on to this economy as we head into the winter season here in about 2.5 weeks or so, right after Christmas. So let me know what you think. Are you more optimistic about this economy, according to all the media reports, or do you think that there's still work to be done? Was not out of the woods yet. One thing's for sure, the Dow Jones is going to continue to go up, and gold is going to continue to go up, and cryptos are going to continue to go up. And so that is why leading to a lot of optimism among U.S. spenders and consumers. So we'll see what happens. Talk to you very soon. God bless. Thank you for listening.